Hi everyone, welcome back once again. My name is Daulat Hussain. In this video, I will show you that how you can use word combiner of small SEO tool. In the last video, I show you that how you can use upper to a lower scales tools of small SEO and explain you everything about the function and feature you will get in that tools. In this video, I'm going to cover word combiner. So to use this tool, all we have to do is simply click on this. So here you will come to this page. Here you will find this box where you can put your keywords, your sentences which you want to merge. For example, they have given few options here. So if I click on this adverb, you can do click any one of these. So it's totally up to you, or you can put your own keywords. So I'm clicking on this adverb, and now I want to merge and find out all the possible merge numbers of merge, all the possibles merge, that how many numbers I'm getting. So for that, I will simply click on this. These are the keywords, and from here I can do the changes. I can bring the space, I can bring the star customs you want to wrap. It's totally up to you, but I just want to leave it normal. I just simply click on a space, and from here I will make this one. Once you're done with that, click on merge, and here you have to verify the motorcycle. Just simply do it quickly and wait, and just click on the merge. And now what happens, like, now it will give you all the keywords with possible merge. Like, it started with one keywords. Once it completed the entire keywords, now they have given you this merge, ladies plus shoes. So they will give you all the merge keywords. So this is how you can use this tool for merging multiple keywords, for finding the possible number of values of any merge keyword. Is totally up to you that how you want to use it. Most of the time we don't use this tool when it's come to writing the articles, but when you want to do any combination, when you are writing any code, on that time you have to find the combinations of the keywords. On those situations we use this tool. So this is how you can use this tool. I hope you would loved it. So that's it in this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you have any questions, any doubt, write in the comment section. I would love to help you in that. So in the next video, I will show you that how you can convert image into a text. So don't forget to watch this video. If you have any questions, any doubt, write in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.